Hi, my name is Moini Jaiswal and I am a PhD student at NIPGIA, and today I'll talk about SVM based classifier to identify plant derived antimicrobial peptides. So I'm starting with the basic features of plant derived antimicrobial peptides, which includes that they mainly target the fundamental features of bacterial cell, which includes constraining cell wall formation or protein synthesis, as AMPs can bind to DNA, RNA or protein. They are mostly rich in cysteine residue with 2 to 6 intramolecular disulfide bonds, and these disulfide bonds provides them high chemical, thermal and proteolytic stability. Further, they are also having ability to tolerate hypervariable sequences to recognize different targets. So, the existence of multiple low affinity targets for microbes in AMPs likely reduce the development of bacterial resistance. To go further into their classification, as per the literature, they are classified into 8 peptide families based on their cysteine residue content, and all these peptide families are having peculiar properties. So what is the need to develop antimicrobial peptide prediction models? As per the literature, plants are having multiple genes encoding AMPs, which makes them a formidable repertoire of AMPs to fight pathogens, as well as the capacity to evolve new AMPs with new specificities. And to extract these peptides by using wet lab experimentation is quite exhaustive, time consuming and cost ineffective. So there was a need to develop prediction models for antimicrobial peptides. And also, these antimicrobial peptides show peptide promiscuity, means they are having broader range of actions, like they could target bacteria, fungus, virus. Also they could target cancerous cells or could be antiparasitic. So we developed prediction models separately for antimicrobial, antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral peptides. So the requirement for developing these models are, first, to collect the data set, and next is their processing. Processing includes removal of the redundant sequences and removal of the sequences having non-natural amino acids. Next is to extract their features. So in this study, we computed compositional and physicochemical features. Compositional features includes amino acid composition and dipeptide composition. For physicochemical features, we computed properties of 74 feature vector length, which majorly includes charge, molecular weight, isoelectric point, hydrophobicity and many more. And for calculating these physicochemical features, we considered a peptide package of R. Next is implementation of machine learning algorithms. So we implemented 4 ML algo, that is SVM, KNN, NB and RF. To classify plant derived peptides separately, we prepared models for antimicrobial, antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral peptides. Next is their assessment. So we used 5-fold cross validation technique to assess the performance of models. And next is to deploy the best prediction model in our web server named PTPAMP. So this is the result for 5-fold cross validation, which shows, like in case of antimicrobial, the dipeptide composition model is having better performance in comparison with the rest of the 7 features. Similarly, in case of antibacterial, amino acid composition shows better performance in comparison with the rest of the features. And for antifungal as well, dipeptide composition is having greater performance in comparison with the rest of the 7 features. And for antiviral, although it is showing here that hybrid model is having better performance, but when we tested these antiviral model performance for independent test data set, we got the higher performance for amino acid composition. So we go with that only. Now this is the screening module of our developed web server. So for screening query sequences, So user can generate physicochemical plots by clicking this link, and this physicochemical plots include composition plot, hydrophobicity and charge plot, and hydropathy plot. And by clicking this link, user can blast their query sequence with PlantPepDB. PlantPepDB is a developed database exclusively for plant-derived peptides. Now this is the designing module for our web server, by using which user can generate better bioactive peptides in terms of their physicochemical properties, and also calculate peptide physicochemical properties by using this calculator. Next is protein scan module, by using which user can generate peptides from their query protein sequence based on their required sequence and overlapping length. So summarizingly, among all four used machine learning algorithms, support vector machine provide better predicting models for classifying plant-derived AMPs in a high throughput and cost-effective manner. And these peptide prediction is followed by characterization as per their physicochemical properties. And models developed with compositional feature is having better performance in comparison with the rest of the features. And designing and protein scan module will help users to get better insights on conducting further peptide analysis. Thank you. I want to acknowledge my supervisor and NIPGR and my funding agency CSIR and DBT. Thank you.